welcome back to my channel, and today I will show you how can you create amazing pictures in Snapseed using double exposure. So first of all, tap this plus button and open the image you want as a base image. So this is our image. Now I will go to this pen symbol, pen icon, and I will click on double exposure, and on the bottom you can see one image with a plus sign on it, and add the second image from here. So this is my second image. I can resize it, rotate it, and place it where I want to. So let's place it close to the mobile phone, and let's make this mobile phone into one of the stars in the Milky Way. So I have placed it here. Now I will go to my view edits, and from double exposure I will choose this brush, and on the left hand side at the bottom you can see the mask. So I will click the mask. To this red thing means that my second layer will appear on all these areas where we have the red color. So first of all, I will take my double exposure down to 0, and then okay, let's take it somewhere around 50, and then I will just paint over all these details where I don't want this Milky Way to appear. So I have painted out most of the area, and now what I want to do, I'll paint with 0 double exposure to paint out everything. I don't want it to appear anywhere else. So these edges, it's a must that you paint them out, and once you're done, just hit the OK. So here you go. This is the galaxy you wanted to integrate into this image. Then you can do some tuning and all these things on your image as a whole, or you can do all these tuning on the base image and then you add the second image. So this double exposure is an amazing tool. I will show you some other images as well in my next tutorial, that how you can achieve amazing images using this technique. So I will continue with some of the image tuning. So let's make it a bit more cooler because it's a night time, and I want some of my bluish shades to really pop out in this image. So after some of my adjustments, so this is what I got. Now let's do small amount of dodging and burning. So first of all, I will do some burning. So let's zoom in and do some burning, and first of all we can do some burning on the foreground as well, then on the galaxy and on the sky as well. Sorry, I keep calling this galaxy, I mean the Milky Way. Then you can do it on the model as well, do some dodging. So this is the image we got after all the tuning and double exposure. And thank you very much for watching. Do subscribe to my channel. You can export this image and it will save as a separate copy, and then you can view it obviously in your photos. So this is the final image we got, and thank you very much for watching. Do subscribe to my channel, hit like, and do share with other people as well.